Today I'm in the kitchen with my cousin Gabby and we're making an heirloom family Christmas recipe using all of the original tools passed down from our ancestors. The recipe we're making is chiacchiere, or at least that's what they call them in the town that we're from. It's essentially ribbon-shaped dough that's fried and then covered in honey and cinnamon sugar. While the recipe is pretty simple, the best part is the memories made while cooking, which always includes lots of laughter, hugs, and of course, the recipe starts by making a large batch of dough similar to how we make pasta.
Nana used to do this with her hands.
This is when you put the pasta together.
Once the dough comes together, it's time to start kneading it, and this took a lot of elbow grease, so to lighten the load, we got some help from everyone in the family, but ultimately, I had to finish.
Keep going. I love you.
And finally, when the dough springs back, that's when it's time to divide it up and start rolling it out. Now, unlike her nonni that had to do it all by hand, my cousin had this motor that makes it so much easier to sheet the dough. Then using a cutter, we make a bunch of strips and we're ready to start frying. We heat up some neutral oil and once it's hot, start dropping them in and frying until just golden brown. I set up my cousins Ale and Gianluca to keep frying while Gabby and I kept rolling and cutting until it was all done. Then it was time for a taste test.
God, delicious.
So good.
Oh my God.
We killed it. Nana would be proud.
But we're not done yet. The final step is layering the chiacchiere with a generous drizzle of melted honey and cinnamon sugar and then repeating the whole process once more. Then we were finally done and we got to dig in and enjoy.